Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google account and how you can create a Google account without mobile phone. To do this, guys, go on Google and search for Google account. And you will see the first result, account.google.com, will come up. Click on it. Here on the right top corner you will see go to Google account or create an account. Just click on this link, create an account, and this will give you the place where you can enter your name and you can enter your first and last name. I will enter here tech. Here where is username, you can put whatever username you would like for your email account. I will create TechWolf, and here you can select some password which you would like to use and confirm your password, and click next after you have entered your and confirmed your password. As you can see, in some cases it is telling that username is not available, so you can change it a little bit until you find available username. techwolf.site, and let's click next. Now we have techwolf.site@gmail.com. that will be my email address, and here it is prompting to enter your phone number, but this is optional, as you can see there, guys, so we will not be entering phone number. And recover email address, that is also optional. Here you enter your birthday and you enter your gender and click next. Here you can see that privacy term will come up. You click agree and click create account and just confirm, guys, and you will create your account on all your YouTube account and all your Gmail account as well, guys. If you would like now to open a Gmail account, you can open a new browser and you can use all different applications which are provided by Google. For example, if we click in gmail.com, you will be already logged in into your Gmail account with these new credentials, and this will be absolutely new Gmail. As you can see here, guys, this is like very empty, and this is welcome email by Gmail, Google, simple, smart, secure, and so on and so forth. So as if you will go now to YouTube, here you will see on the right hand side this T kind of, you can click on it and you will see techwolf.business. So you now have access to all Google applications. This is how you can create a Google account, and if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.